Alrighty, hello everybody. It's Saturday morning here. Usually I'd be at the flea market today, but we're about to get hit with a monster band of rain. And that's crazy. The only 2 days in the last 2 months it's rained has been the last 2 Saturdays. And I'm talking really rain. So I haven't been able to go to the flea market for 2 weeks now, but I got something I'm gonna work on today. Actually that's my finds from the river the other day. I haven't even cleaned them up yet. So I'm gonna have to get on that too today, if it don't rain too bad out here. We got a little adventure closet, another adventure closet video. But this was stuff they had sent me a while back, and I'm getting ready to put them in the tumbler. But I want to try and cut them up or shape them up a little bit to take this off and a few other things. Try and make them look a little better before I put them in the tumbler. That way they won't have to tumble so long. I think I'm gonna take all that off. There's something underneath there. And this one definitely, it's got to shape it up a little bit. Not too much on this one. But we're gonna do it and see what happens. I'll be back. Alright, the rain is getting closer. We got a tin roof on my awning on my patio out here, so it's gonna get loud. We're probably gonna have to. That one opened up to some white stuff there. We gotta focus. Yeah, this one here opened up to some white stuff, a little white stuff in there. I didn't cut much off of it. I might come back and do this one now that I know they got white in there. But this one here. I took that old brown face off of it. I think I'm gonna put that in a little bit of citric acid for a while. But that'll look better. This one here. Got a little white agate coming out. Trying to hurry up because it's about to get loud out here. And this one here, we just took scuffed it up a little bit and flattened it out everywhere. It's got some nice red. That's gonna be a good looking rock there. That's cool. That's gonna be a good one. Yeah, it's about to get loud out here, so we're about to go inside. But yeah, these are all stuff that Adventure Closet had sent me. And they go on in the tumbler, so I wanted to try and make them look a little better. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Look at our fall foliage. That's something right there, a little bit. Kind of looks all the same. Yeah, we don't get that around here. Look, some red. Don't be jealous of our fall colors now. Look, we got some red coming up. Look at them beautiful colors.